Hi, it's HardReset, and today we're going to do a comparison of flashlights on both OPPO Watch X2 and Huawei Fit 4. So the OPPO is on the left side and Huawei is on the right side. First the OPPO, so just scroll from the top and find the flashlight, and on Huawei just scroll from the top, also find the flashlight. So maybe you can't see it, but the flashlight is stronger on the Huawei, and it has the eye protective feature that as you can see here, it flashes normally, but when I do this, it darkens the screen a little to protect my eyes, but it doesn't have the feature to flashlight the red. This is red in real life. I can see that in camera this is orange, but in real life it is red, and blue light. It's blue, not cyan. But this Huawei only has the white light feature. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.